Hello, this is Not So Young Man. Welcome to my channel. Thank you to all 92 subscribers. I really appreciate that. And today we are not talking about my big bike. We're talking about my smaller, environmentally friendly bike and how to adjust the quick release caliber for the brake. So you need a 1/4 inch wrench for this bolt here, and I'm using a 3/16 torque wrench on this. I just changed the flat on this tire, and when I put it back in, the caliber moved into the tire and was impeding the tire from rotating. So you just need to adjust the tension on this so this pillion moves in and out properly, and you can then tighten it again, but not too much, and the brake will work properly without impeding the tire.